Here I have an almost completed alley from Cereal Bag Makers, which is a large bag, and I have installed one grommet already, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So here the instructions say that you can punch through all the layers at once. So whatever pattern you're using, you mark your placement, and here I mark the placement. That's going to be the center of the hole. So I'm going to bring over my wooden board. I'm going to make sure both sides are aligned. And again, you could just do one at a time by sticking the board in between. But I am going to go through and do it together. I'm going to get my tool, the sharp side, down. And I'm going to make sure that my mark is in the center of this tool. And then you're going to carefully bang on this until it's cut through all the way. I did hurt myself on the last one, so just be very careful. I'm going to switch to a firmer. This is just a piece of leftover granite I have from when we redid our kitchen. Yeah, so that pretty much did the trick. I just need to finish up. So here the second part didn't quite go through all the way, so I'm just going to do just that layer. And we're done. It popped right through. This little piece didn't come off all the way. Just going to snip it. This is just a part of the interfacing, the interfaced bit. Okay, so it does help to use a firmer surface versus this wood, I think, was too soft and it was just pushing the fabric down into the wood. Now that we have the holes, we are going to put 1/2 of the grommet into one side and another half into the other side. And you're just going to position them. It does click just a tiny bit into place. And you're going to make sure that that didn't move. And again, with a harder surface underneath, I'm then going to grab just a piece of scrap fabric that I have so that I don't mar the metal. And you're going to give this a couple of good whacks. And you can check it to see for fit. And that is it. Now we have a grommet in place.